Hi, I'm Seng. So today I will show you how to add the modifier, which is the multiple selection in FoodZaps. Go to the setting and then go to the e-menu. Okay, let's say example, I choose a stick as my example. So as you know that our stick got few special requirement, or we call as modifier. So I'll show you the single selection of modifier, which is the stick only can choose for rare, medium, medium well, and well done. So I'll do example. So first do the prepare, and then you click on the optional modifier and you click a new group. So I name it as a group name such as stick. So I put the option such as I put rare and I click comma, and then medium, rare, you click comma. Make sure there's no space after the comma. So I click medium, and then medium rare, and then well done. Okay, after that just click OK. Automatically you save it. You can see this is stick, so this modifier, and you click save and exit. Okay, so make an example. If you order, you click here, it shows that the special request. So you only can choose one time only, either you rare, or medium well, or well done. So you can choose medium well and click OK. So in your bill, you see that your grilled tenderloin stick is under medium well. What if your special requirement is you can multiple selection of modifier? So go to e-menu. Okay, for example, I click on the crispy calamari. I go to prepare. Okay, so I create a group testing. Make sure you add the comma after your selection, and you click OK and click save and exit. So when you take order, so I click here, crispy calamari, click here. So it shows my special request. I can multi-tick it and click OK. So it shows that this item is contain all these three modifier selection. That's all for today. Thank you.